Hi, many purpose we need a live show either using Facebook or using YouTube. How to create a live show of YouTube or Facebook to share our screen to conduct a class. For example, I want to show my one PowerPoint or any other files, and it should be displayed in the YouTube show or Facebook live show. For that purpose, I need to share the screen. Okay, in Facebook, such an option is there in the sharing option. This is the post we have to create, add photo, video, tag friends. Here in the three dots there is an option live video, and in clicking the live video directly we can go for live video in the live video studio of the Facebook. In this area there are several options like streaming key, accessing microphone, accessing camera, etc. This is my camera. Actually my camera is used by this screen recorder now, so there is a camera issue, and similarly my microphone may not be accessible now. And here we can select the media source and microphone, and we can directly start sharing the screen in this way. And after selecting the share screen, I can directly go here to demonstrate all the applications here, or I can start with a PowerPoint. Using the PowerPoint I can conduct a class. Okay, that is the methodology or modality to use this particular platform. Okay, and using Facebook to conduct a class is so easy, but I don't know why teachers reluctant to use this. Here in a PowerPoint, are there any specific files? Yeah, one presentation is here. I would try to open. Yeah, it is not available. And what about this? Yeah, the one t-test is here. I will open that t-test, and I would like to explain this t-test file, a PowerPoint file, in the Facebook Live. And I can ask a large number of students, say 1,000, 10,000, 5,000, whatever may be, to watch the live show by sharing just sharing the Facebook Live link. In that way we can conduct webinars too. Okay, here I can share the screen, we can use the camera, or we can pair one encoder and just click on the stream button. Okay, this is the stream button. After clicking on all these things correctly, just click go live now. Or we can schedule it, schedule a live show. And if I schedule a live show, I can fix the time. For example, I would like to conduct a scheduled live show tomorrow at 5 p.m. for example. Just go for the calendar, select the date, and change the time into 17. Yeah, now 17. Okay, tomorrow at 17, that means 5 p.m. There is a live show, and it will shade to my timeline, and it is public, and I can schedule it now, and it will create a link. The live was successfully scheduled tomorrow at 5 p.m. and I can get a link of this live show in this way. And there is a stream key. All these are not necessary. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. my live show will begin, and my viewers can access the site. Okay, otherwise I can start it now itself, and this is the easiest platform to share the conduct the class. But it is not so easy in YouTube. In YouTube, if you want to conduct a live, you can schedule a session tomorrow at a particular time or at any time. You can schedule a live show. Here now I am in the I can demonstrate from the beginning, because Facebook, I think you may be so familiar, but it's not so in the case of what is called the YouTube. I will demonstrate from the beginning itself. Now it is the youtube.com site. Just enter into youtube.com and just log in here. Just log in here and click on this button, this plus button, video plus button, and here go live button is there. Okay, that's what we need. But the problem is that in order to share the screen and in order to get the voice and the camera, we may need some applications. Here the best application for that purpose is OBS Studio itself. Now I dismiss this thing. This is the last trial. Okay, here I can give a title, for example, CUSAT FDP workshop. Okay, then it is a public live stream and its language is in English. I can type it, or this is scheduled for later. Then the time can be fixed in this way, 18 at 5:30 p.m. Yeah, that is tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. There will be a live show. That is the meaning. Okay, then do you want to enable monetization from this program? If you like, just switch on, otherwise switch off. Then if you want to upload a custom thumbnail, that is mean by a photograph of the first stage. Up to that time they may expect a photograph. For example, I can show this, the SLS CUSAT front page can be added there, or our Genomio website can be used as a screenshot for that purpose. Anything. CUSAT FDP genomio.com. The first stage can be used for that purpose. I think now the network is not so fast to demonstrate all those things. The site cannot be reached. I want to reload it. Okay, now we can continue. The site is loaded, and here from this scene I can take a screenshot. Just click on the PRTSC print screen and I can paste it on the Paint application or somewhere else to get an image of this site. Just pasted it and just save it on your either in desktop or anywhere you can save it. Here I saved it in the name CUSAT and on my desktop. Okay, just saved it and just click close, and here in the YouTube button I can upload the thumbnail now. From desktop I can add that particular image where it is. Yeah, this is CUSAT. Then now that thumbnail will appear. You can type some matter here. This is a live show showing that this and this you can add, and just select whether it is made for kids or not made for kids and just create stream. Okay, that's all to schedule the meeting, the live show for tomorrow. If you want to live show now itself, you can do in that way. Then what is the important thing is that we have to copy this. There's a stream key here. I want to copy this. This is the stream key and I want to copy this, and this is the address, stream URL address. It may not be needed, but if needed we have to copy it. Now again it is copied, and come back to our software, which is OBS Studio. The OBS Studio can be used to start streaming, to stream our computer activities on the online, either through Facebook or through YouTube. Any application can be, any platform can be used to stream this. For that purpose I want to go to this setting button. Yeah, now I am going to this setting button, and in which there is a stream option here. I went to use stream key here, and the service, there are different service of types of service to stream: Twitch service, YouTube service, Mixer service, Facebook Live, among which YouTube is selected for me. YouTube is selected for me here. YouTube primary, YouTube ingest server, yeah, that is right. And just paste the stream key copied from YouTube account here, and just click on OK button here. Here there is, on the lower portion there is an OK button. Just click on the OK button. Yeah, now if I click on the start streaming button, I clicked on the start streaming button, there is a green icon appear. Green, that means the strength is enough, with enough strength the data is transmitted to the YouTube channel. Here the view can be transmitted. Yeah, the OBS Studio view is there, and my mouse movements are there. Yeah, now it is good. If I click on the live, look like you are ready. Okay, if I just click on this go live, now itself I can transmit. Okay, without waiting for tomorrow, I can transmit it now itself. I want to share the link with anyone. Just copy this link and I can share in WhatsApp groups, or in the Moodle platform, or in anywhere, Facebook, anywhere I can share this link. And what's the advantage is that all the members with this link can watch this class. Okay, it will go live only if I click on this link, and this is an excellent connection. This is based on the strength. Okay, then there are some analytics will be appear here. The stream health may appear here. Yeah, if I reduce my screen and if I start presenting the screen, the t-test and the things in the next slide, in that way, if I use the presentation, yeah, now I am presenting a topic with the help of my PowerPoint. All these can be watched from this YouTube. See, here the topic is displayed. There's a delay in actual presentation and live show, and this will be telecasted, but it is not actually go live because it is not clicked here. If I clicked here, it will be available in live manner, and this is the advantage of this YouTube Live. Okay, I think you got all the idea regarding using YouTube Live and Facebook Live using with the help of OBS Studio. In the case of OBS Studio, there is no need to link the stream key from Facebook, because in Facebook we can directly share the screen. Here we can directly share the screen, so there is no need to give the stream key from Facebook. Otherwise, you have to select this. You can use it, no problem. You can use it, then it will be more comfortable for the software to pack it in a particular size and can share. Okay. Otherwise, you can directly use the Facebook platform. What is the advantage of pairing with the OBS? That at the same time, while sharing this video online, we can record it also. Now I am recording this session, and during the session itself I can start streaming. That is the advantage of this OBS Studio. So you can share the OBS streaming through Facebook or this YouTube channel. For that purpose, you just care only this thing, the stream key. We have to add this stream key in the OBS Studio, either from the Facebook or from the YouTube. You have to add this key there, then only you can share the video from OBS to YouTube or Facebook. Thank you for watching.